All right, guys. So that down there is the Modern Grower for sale seed tray. And we're getting ready to shoot it with a 410 shell. You guys have already seen me stand on it. You know how durable it is. I want to prove to you how durable it is and why you should go out and buy these and why it's a good deal to buy them. So we're going to take this 410. We're going to shoot that for sale seed tray. All right. And you guys are going to get to see no damage is incurred. So here we go. Close your ears, baby. Should we go for round two? Let's do one more round. Just to show you guys that this thing will not break. Here we go. You want to know why you should buy one of these? Look no further than right here. This is why you should buy them. 2 shots from a 410. Took all of it. Minimal damage. Minimal damage. See all the way around? Minimal damage. Did not penetrate at all. So, go guys. Go to Epic Gardening. Go to their channel. You can see them on YouTube. But go to their store and look up the Epic Gardening Modern Grower seed trays today. Buy them. You'll love them. Use discount coupon code HHH for 5% off of your purchase today. See ya.